Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Sunborn Creations. I know I've been gone a while, but guys, I have done about 15 videos today. Oh my God, it's been crazy. I don't know, guys. It's just like something jumped in me. I got like a new beginning. It's like, do you, do you, do you. Just be authentic and just release the videos, okay? So that's what I'm doing. Oh my God, this is a beautiful thing. Now I got another channel also called JUST dash capital VAL, Just Val. Now on that channel I talk about spiritual things. I talk about a lot of stuff that might be a little bit over some people's heads. But I just speak what is what. I'm being spirit led. So let's get into this. So today, y'all, these are some of my men's bracelets that I've made, which I think are so beautiful and elegant. And this is the focal. This is like a flower, A1 flower agate. And these two are citrines. This one and this are beautiful A1 citrines. And guys, this is gorgeous. I love these. It's just adds a beautiful, elegant touch to these bracelets. This is loaded with A1 Hematite, A1 flower agate, gold trim, A1 citrine. Guys, these are so beautiful. Now this is what's going to be in my little space that I'm waiting to, I'm on the list that I'm waiting, to open up soon. And I know these will be a top seller. These are gorgeous, guys. So we're going to do a little bit more, but thank you guys for tapping in. I like this also. These are jaspers and agate. And, gosh, I can't think of the greens. Jade. Pretty much this is imitation jade. But look at the genetic makeup of this bracelet. I mean, you can't go, this is gorgeous. These pieces, and check this out. Hematite, this is like beautiful. These are beautiful, guys. The glycerin, hematite. I love these. Another flower, A1 agate, gold trim, non-tarnish. So let's put them all, stack them all together. But like I said, guys, I have done about 15 videos today from my YouTube, Facebook. So I don't really offer my Facebook because you guys don't really want to hear what I'm talking about on Facebook, because I'm on another level in Facebook. And I don't think a lot of people have expanded their consciousness to know what I'm speaking on Facebook. So I just keep it neutral. But these are gorgeous. I'm just taking pictures right now, so in case I need a thumbnail. But these are elegant. These are classic. I love these, guys. Now, these are not on my Shopify store. So I'll be selling these at the marketplace. I think I found out that that's what I need to do. I spoke something out of my mouth. And my plan was never to try to sell over the internet. That was in the beginning, that was never really my plan. My plan was to sell from the market. But my pieces are so exquisite where they can be sold not from the market, but online and in boutiques. Look at these. These are good quality pieces. But anyway, we all learn from our mistakes. And we have to do like a trial and error so we know where we're going next. So I don't limit myself, But I know now that how to go about selling and doing certain things. Before I didn't know, but you have to, like I said, trial and error, guys. I'm not going to be on here too long, but look at these. You cannot go wrong with these classic, beautiful pieces. Now, I could see like a businessman in their elegant suits wearing these pieces. That's what these pieces are about. So my job now is to, kind of figure out how to get these pieces out. But like I say, right now they have market value. But it's okay. If I keep going, things will pick up for me. I'm in my own time. And in this God energy time. That's where I'm at with it, okay? But we're 6 minutes into this, and I just wanted to come and, get back online and show some pieces and let you know that thank you for subscribing to my channel. And I have not left the channel. I just had to figure out some personal ways of going about and selling my pieces. And I figured out some things. I really had to think about it. I'm like, okay, what was it that you spoke out of your mouth that you wanted to do with this jewelry? You have to move this jewelry because my pieces are exquisite and they are well put together. They are professional pieces. And I use professional material. I use professional A1 and I use good beads. So that's why I'm not worried, guys. Everything that I've made will sell eventually. It's just in the God energy's time. And that's where I'm at with this, okay? But peace, guys, and thank you for viewing this. And please share this. Like and share because I do have other videos that I'm going to be putting out. But I'm kind of tired. Like I said, I've done about 15 videos from this channel, my other channel, Just Val. It's on YouTube. And my Facebook. I've done a lot. So it might be time for me to just settle down right now, okay? But peace, guys. Thank you. And please tap and share the button. And hit me in the comments and let me know what you're thinking, okay? Love y'all. Peace.